Hello and welcome back, everybody. We're out here today in Linn State Park. We're actually checking out some really cool old ruins. We got the ruins of the McGinnis Rod and Gun Club. It looked really beautiful. I saw it online and couldn't resist coming out here. So the history behind it is, it was founded in 1922. Back in this time, they were trying to get a lot of people from the city out and away from the city on vacations, get back in the mountains and back in nature. And you know, it was thought to be therapeutic, which I definitely agree. I'm always out here. And it was around for about 20 years and then it burned down. But at least we have the ruins out here still. I'm gonna see if I can find some old pictures to compare to now. I just love seeing before and after pictures of this stuff. And there's also apparently a little ice house just next to it. And there's some waterfalls in this park. It's gorgeous here. So without further ado, let's go check this place out. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. And thank you, Miranda and Anthony, for joining me. All right, guys, let's go check this place out. Okay, everyone, we have arrived to the old McGinnis Rod and Gun Club. Beautiful old stonework that we got here. Let's take a peek inside. This camera's not doing it justice, but this chimney is humongous.
Great.
Take a little peek up there. I would say this chimney's like close to 35 feet tall. And as you can see, it's built right next to the beautiful Linn stream here. We also got an active cabin over there. I'm actually kind of jealous. That's a beautiful cabin they have. Wouldn't mind having one myself. So just behind the cabin here, we have what I believe is an old ice house. I'm very impressed that this stonework is held up to nature as well as it has, considering it's all the way from 1922. Not a whole lot of room in here, but pretty awesome. So just to give you guys a little more perspective, that is the ice house, the cabin right next to it. I'll give you a little walk around the perimeter here. This must have been so cool when it was up and running before it burned down. All right, so just about half a mile north of the parking lot that we parked in to get to the ruins, we have Adams Falls over here. Got a super cool little bridge coming across the creek here. Check that out. Let me get a closer look down below for you all. Here is the bottom of the falls. This is really beautiful. Thank you all so much for joining me on today's adventure. If you had fun, please like and subscribe. I'll have plenty more adventures coming up in the future. Also, a huge shout out to 580 Barbell and my trainer Santino over there. As you know, a lot of my adventures require a lot of hiking, and the caving especially gets physical and is challenging. If you're looking for a great trainer or a great gym to go to in the area, please check out their information in the description below. And as always, take care until next time, everyone.